I wish I had heard this affiliate marketing advice sooner, part 2. Now, this one really pains me to see a lot of beginner affiliate marketers fall into this trap because it really prevents them from seeing success early on. And hopefully you also didn't fall into this trap. Now, welcome back. I'm Pilar and I'm your OG affiliate marketer, and I'm here to share all of my tips with you. And I think I'm gonna make this one into a series. So what's this advice I wish I would have known sooner? I wish I would have known that the conversion rate of the affiliate product is way more important than the actual affiliate commission itself. Now, at some point along the way, you may have decided to promote an affiliate product based solely on the commission rate, right? Like, it makes sense. Who wouldn't want to promote an affiliate product where you can earn $200 per sale versus an affiliate product where you would earn $20 per sale? That's what I thought too, until I started seeing the difference in my affiliate paychecks. Now, the one thing I remember never considering when I first started was, well, is this product actually going to convert, or am I just wasting my time promoting this affiliate product? Now, take a look at this. This is an image from the guys at Authority Hacker. By the way, those are the guys that taught me how to build a 5-figure per month affiliate blog, FYI. Now, here's a scenario where an affiliate product pays out $200 per sale, but it only has a 1% conversion rate. From 1,000 people that you send to that offer, you would average about 10 sales and make $2,000 in affiliate commissions. Not bad, but just check out what happens in scenario B. In scenario B, you have an affiliate product that pays you $20 per sale and it has a 12% conversion rate. Now, when you send 1,000 people to that offer, you will convert about 120 people, which would earn you $2,400 in affiliate commissions. Now, just imagine you have an affiliate website getting thousands of visitors per month. You would want to make sure that you are promoting the best offers with the highest conversion rates that make you the most amount of money. So that's exactly what I do. I look for the best affiliate offers with the highest conversion rates, and I put those offers on my affiliate website. That's why small affiliate sites just like mine can earn 5 figures per month in affiliate commissions. The big lesson here: focus on the conversion rate, not the affiliate amount. Now, to get more tips like this, make sure you hit that follow button.